We'll guide you through how to remix the days in Notion. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Notion app on your desktop and navigate to the page where you want to remix your days. If you haven't already, create a new database or select an existing one that lists your daily tasks or schedule. Once you're in the database view, you can add a new property by clicking on the plus icon next to your existing columns. Label this property as days and set the property type to select here. You can add options for each day of the week like Monday, Tuesday, and so on. This will allow you to easily categorize tasks by the day they're assigned to. Now, to remix your days, click on the filter button at the top of your database view. Set a new filter where the days property is set to the specific day you want to focus on. This will help you see only the tasks associated with that day. You can switch between days by adjusting the filter to display tasks for different days. If you want to change the order of tasks for a specific day, simply drag and drop tasks within that day's view to reorder them. Additionally, if you're looking to automate this process, consider setting up a recurring template button in Notion. This button can generate predefined tasks for each day, helping you remix and manage your daily schedule efficiently. Simply go to the templates button, create a new template with the tasks you want, and ensure it includes the days property set for the day you're focusing on. When you press this button, it will automatically populate your database with the tasks for that day, saving you time and keeping you organized. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.